Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
Solidarity
forever.
Solidarity
Forever.
Solidarity
Forever.
This is the only county in the country whereby teachers involved in various events, they are suffering. Principals are complaining about our county director. And even the sub-county directors are complaining. Today we call him and we inform that we are coming here so that we can share and find out where the problems are coming from. But unfortunately, he has run away. So we are demanding that our county director be transferred away from Bungoma. And in case he won't be transferred, we are going to block him. He will not move in any station. He will not address teachers in this county. Bungoma, we've been doing very well before he came to this county. We used to have the meetings to know how much money was coming from the ministry in terms of capitation. We are being told how much you are receiving from the principals and head teachers in terms of contributions. We are being told how much the county director could receive in terms of authority to incur expense in his office. But since he came to this county, we never received any information concerning that. So because of that, we do not want our teachers to keep on suffering under his hands. As the two unions in Bungoma County, we say, if the ministry cannot be able to listen to us, we are going to force them to listen to us by chasing this man away from this county. Because the principals wanasema yeye ndiye anatembea kwa mashule, amekuwa Sakayo collecting money in form of taxes. Akienda kwa shule kesho, after 1 month anaenda kwa shule nyingine, na waweze kumpatia shilingi 5,000 bahasha, anataka more than that, 10,000, 20,000. Now any principal akipatikana kwa makosa is a man who has been now harassing them so much. Hii mambo ya construction projects in the schools, he has never cleared the principals. Pesa yenye nileta mwaka jana ingali kwa accounts up to now. Wataka kuajia sub county directors wafanye kazi nyingine, yeye ndiye anatakana aingie hapo paka apewe pesa ndiye aklie mashule. Sasa ndio tunasema kuanzia leo we are speaking on behalf of teachers of Bungoma County, and we are speaking on behalf of the community of Bungoma County. We need somebody who can be able to respect us, somebody who is willing to work with us. Lakini kama anatembea peke yake, and they say when you want to walk very fast, when you want to go far, you must be in a company. Lakini ukitaka kutembea very fast, you walk alone. So we are saying we want somebody whom we can walk with, so that we can go far, we can take our account far. That's as I mean what we are demanding.
Na utapata walimu wanaumia, wanafunzi pia wanaumia. Pesa zinasanywa katika hii kaunti yetu, na leo tumekuja hapa kama vyama vya kutetea maslahi ya walimu. Tumetembea ofisi zote tukilalamika juu ya mambo ya matumizi ya pesa na vile shule zetu zinaendelezwa hapa. Hakuna mtu ametusikiza. Naomba ya kwamba leo tuko hapa na tunasema ya kwamba county director sio Bungoma pekee. Amefanya hapa muda ambao umemwezesha kuwa hapa. Mismanage county yetu. Tunaomba Ministry ya Education wampeleke kwingine mara moja. Ni jambo ambalo hatuombi. Tunasema kama vyama vya kutetea maslahi ya walimu, hata leo alijua tunakuja, ametoroka kuwa kwa ofisi. So tutarudi na tutaendelea kurudi. Hii ofisi ni public, na kama services sio mzuri, sisi tunatetea walimu wote kwa ujumla. Intimidation. County director anatembea kwa mashule day and night kusanya pesa kutoka kwa our principals and our head teachers. We are fed up, na tunasema ya kwamba enough is enough. Bungoma County is not a place where you go to make money. It's a place you come to give service. Hii county upande wa michezo, tangu hatujawahi kuwa na walimu wakilalamika. But for the past 3 years, our teachers have suffered. And we are saying we cannot sit back. This man called the county director can go to any other county, but not Bungoma now. And we are also even going to talk to our members of parliament, to our political wing. And we have also informed so many relevant officers that this has been happening and they have not assisted us. We have gone to the regional director. He's also not taking any responsibility about the suffering of the teachers here. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm saying this as the representatives of the teacher here. We are voicing it loudly that we have tried to engage him. He has not changed. He fails to call for meetings of stakeholders. Now we are here so that we want the public to assist us.
Watu wenye kutoka from poor families are not being employed. They are not being employed. It's an appeal to our president. Aachilie employment of teachers a party kwa TSC. Asiachilie employment of teachers ingie kwa State House. So that some of us when tujulikani or on the opposing side waweze kupata employment. And even those from poor families wako nyumbani. Mwenye alitoka 2010 na mwenye ametoka 2023 because anajulikana, 2024 because anajulikana, sasa hizi wanafunza na wale wengine wamekaa nyumbani. Hiyo ndio tumekataa kabisa.